This is what the box contains. I used this method in my installation. Choose a good location for the oil cooler. I start by installing the upper hose. And secure it with the hose clamp. Install the oil cooler upper hose on the radiator return outlet. This is a temporary location to determine the length of the upper hose. I have marked the hose where I will cut it. The next step is to install the Instadapt adapter. I prefer to install the adapter on the hose first and then on the radiator. And secure it with the hose clamp. Now we have both hoses mounted on the cooler and we are ready for installation on the car. Now I have to disconnect the return line from the radiator and install the upper hose with the adapter in its place. The lower hose I connect to the return line. Now both hoses are connected to the system. The next step is to attach the cooler to the radiator. Now I install the 4 mounting rods through the radiator core. Place the 4 foam pads onto the mounting rods between the transmission cooler and the radiator. Now all 4 mounting rods are in place and secured to the back of the radiator with mounting clips. Cut off any excess mounting rods. Now we have to start the car and quickly check all connections for leaks. No leaks are found. The job is done. Remember to check the transmission fluid level. Thank you for watching my film.